everybody, welcome back to Bob and Kelly's Mixology Monday.
Today we're bringing back an old favorite of ours from the Grand Floridian in Walt Disney World.
Yes, I love this one.
Yeah, we love this one. We have done a video about this drink once before, but it's been over a year, so we figured, why not? It's time for a revisit.
And besides, I want it. I want to drink it.
Because it is good. I kind of forgot about this drink.
Yeah, I did too.
Until just today, and I was like, you know what?
Well, it's got
that
some
sounds good.
Yeah, it's got tequila, it's got melon liqueur, it's got cucumber. What could be going wrong with that?
Super refreshing.
It's very yummy.
Yeah, very, very good. So what is it called?
It is called the Garden Daisy.
Yes, we like to call it the Mike Wazowski.
Yes, because of the ice cube. You'll see when we have it.
Do you know Mike Wazowski, the big round green guy with the one eyeball?
Yeah.
That's what this drink kind of reminds us of.
Yeah.
But technically, if you order this at the Grand Floridian,
it's a Garden
Daisy.
Daisy.
At the Enchanted Rose.
Yes, at the Enchanted
bar
Rose.
At the Grand Floridian, it's called the Garden Daisy.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Here we go.
So we're gonna need some cucumber.
First off, we're gonna take, this is like a half a cucumber.
Yeah.
And because Kelly likes hers to be.
Well, just do for one.
I'm just doing for one.
Okay.
So that's enough.
Okay, this is just for one.
And what we're gonna
cocktail.
do, lime juice. We forgot the lime juice.
Oh, we need some lime juice. Okay, we need some fresh squeezed lime juice that I just squozed.
Just squoze.
How much do you need?
I need 1 ounce of lime juice. So
Okay.
we're going to use the lime juice as a muddling liquid. Because if you have a little liquid in there, sometimes it makes it just a little bit bitter.
Okay.
So the whole drink's going to have 1 ounce of lime juice.
Okay.
There
Sounds
we go.
good. And then you're gonna muddle that.
I'm
boy,
going to
right?
muddle the crap out of it.
Okay.
And here's my muddler, and here we go. You want to get that cucumber flavor all nice and incorporated into the
I
lime
love
juice.
this cocktail because of the cucumber.
Yeah, and I want to get as much out of it as I can, so
Right.
I'm muddling it like crazy.
Muddle it like crazy.
Yes. Okay, it's like cucumber mush now.
Okay. So we're gonna need some reposado tequila. Last time we made this, we used Blanco tequila because that's all we had. But now we're tequila experts, so we're using reposado. That's
and
what the recipe calls for.
And we need 1.5 ounces of reposado. So there's 1 ounce.
1.5 ounces.
And 1/2.
Okay. We also need some Midori. This is a melon.
Japanese melon liqueur.
Easy for me to say.
So we need 1 ounce of. Whoa! Dang, Bob!
That's why we have this bar mat.
Yeah, we have the bar mat. It's lovely.
Okay.
Catches all that nasty.
And we also need 1/2 an egg white.
Right, and this is just gonna make it a little frothy, a little foamy.
Yeah.
But because of the egg white, we are going to dry shake. We're not gonna shake with ice.
Right.
So we're gonna do that till it's really nice and frothy. Here we go.
It sounds so weird without ice.
I know, it takes about 30 seconds. It's easier to get off without ice.
That was like vacuum sealed, wasn't it?
And so here we have our pre-prepared glass with our round ball of ice.
That's what makes it look like Mike Wazowski.
And we got to strain it into the glass.
Yep. I'm gonna show you what this is gonna look like before our SD card runs out. Up close. That's beautiful.
That is exactly
what it
how
looks like.
beautiful it is at the
Yes,
Grand Floridian.
at the Grand Floridian.
Except it might have a little more Midori in it.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit.
Just a splash.
So, awesome. Woo! That looks great. So do you remember what this bad boy tastes like?
Are you gonna take a picture?
Yes, I am. I'm gonna take a picture. So yeah, this one may be a little Midori heavy because of the
spillage.
the boo boo.
That's the booze.
The booze boo. But that's okay. You like Midori. Let's see how it tastes.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
I can smell the cucumber.
We have the rim salted, by the way.
Yes, we do. I did salt half of the rim, kind of like a margarita.
You know, that's really good. It doesn't taste too Midori forward though. It tastes like really good cucumber. It's amazing how well cucumber and melon goes with tequila.
Yeah, and I think because it's reposado tequila, it's a little bit smoother. It's not really like a harsh, kind of tequila flavor. That is delicious.
That is very good.
I like it with the salt. I don't know about you, but I prefer it with the salt. I think it just kind of adds that little bit of something.
I like it with the salt too, because tequila, salt, melon. You ever had melon and prosciutto?
Oh yeah.
It's all salty. So,
it is, yeah.
So that goes. They just go together.
Delicious.
Yeah. It's like peanut butter and jelly.
Exactly. It's kind of almost like a melon margarita, almost.
Yeah.
You know?
I love it.
It's like a cucumber melon margarita.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yes, now you know why this is one of our favorites.
Yes.
Oh, it just got me in like the...
Got you in the glandulars.
Glandulars right
Got the
there.
glandulars salivating.
Yes. All right. I still love it.
Right.
So that is the Garden Daisy.
Yeah, let us know if you get, if you make this. And she's already got, ooh.
Woo.
Anyway, so let us know if you like it, you make it. If you wanted to change something, we're always interested in twisting things.
Yeah, exactly. We do like to put our own little twist or
if you
flavor
found
on
a different type, then God, let us know.
Yeah,
and we'll
exactly.
Do it.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not done so already, I love these ball ice cubes. You can just swirl it.
Swirly.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post. And please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. And we'll see you guys next Monday.
Yes.
Have a great week. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Alki. It's like, this is a good swirly.
It is. It's a good
Not the swirly you want in high school.
No. It's a good thing you got that bar mat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to like get a straw and...
No, because that's just Midori.